Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are going to make a picture frame for my kid's bedroom. I don't know how to do this. We are just going to get after it, see what happens, get my face out of here. What we're going to try to do is make it on a 1x2. Make a nice picture frame. I got the back of it cut out. This is how big it is. We're just going to go for it. I don't know what to do. I'm sure there's some sort of mathematical equation, but as long as we're in there, we're good. Let's see what happens. Alright, so in case you want to know, this is 20 inches long. I cut it 22. I cut it 22, which makes it work on there with the 45s. Now I'm going to hack out half the middle here on the table saw. Watch that. Figure out what I'm doing here first. Okay. So the outside is here. So I got this right side down. If I do this, then I get that. This is scary as shit. This is nonsense. That blade right away. So now I'm gonna get the blade perfect so I can cut this off and this off. Then we're left with openings. We'll turn it into a picture frame. I'll cut the rest and we'll bring it back in. Alright, so I brought all my glue in because it's cold out here all the time. So we are gonna try something new. I got my glue gun. These say they're glue wood sticks, so we're gonna go with it and see what happens. Got them super hot. We're just gonna see what we get together. Of course, we will nail them as well, but we are gonna see what this glue does. Well, that's quick. That's a little too quick. Boy. That's pretty neat. I got it on the hot setting too. Alright, let's see what happens here. Make sure we're lined up. Bring it in. Is it really on hot? That is insane. Look at that. That's hot glue. Let me put a few nails in there, huh? just a picture frame, so we don't need nothing special. That is gnarly. Let's make sure we're going to fit the picture here. Oh yeah. Oh, easier than I thought. Okay. We have both on here. Wow. Oh. Now that ain't neat. I don't know what is. That is just neat. See what I did here is I cut out the edges. So the picture will sit down over it. The picture is, there's wiggle room in the picture. Otherwise I would be building it. I'm a wiggle room type guy. There. The picture will go right on front. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand the bananas out of this, listen to music, bring it back in. Alright, well that worked really well. Now we're just going to poly it. Sanded everything, looks nice, it's nice and smooth. We're just going to use the wipe-on poly. And then we're going to go inside and we're done. Done. Quick project, easy. You gotta come out to your garage, you gotta drink beer. The wife's happy because it's a picture for the kids' room. That's how you do it. Boom. It's a picture frame. Don't worry about it. So that black is just gonna go in the back as a kind of a holder. Hold the poster. See the corners. Look all right. It's strong. That hot glue worked. That's insane. Why use real good wood glue? You got hot glue. Hot glue that says it works for wood. It does. That's neat. There you go. I got a picture. There's my thumbnail. Maybe. I don't know how to make thumbnails. I just got to take pictures. But there, we got that. Now we're just going to do the drinking beer shot cleanup. Alright, then I'll bring you back in when I put the picture in and you'll see it in the room and that'll be cool. Alright, so we're inside here. Get a headlamp on. What we're going to do, we're taking this double-sided tape. You get it from all your windows and stuff. I got a whole bunch of it. It's great to have. We're laying it out. We're going to lay it on the black backer. Man, I hope this isn't sentimental because I don't know how this is going to go. everything I do. Oh, I got some already on there, so it's sticking to me. This is the poster. We're gonna try to get it on there good. Okay, now we'll cut around. I'll just stop. Alright, so I was going to try to staple everything in, but what I think I'm going to do is lay double-sided tape and then lay it in. We'll see how it goes. And there you go, guys. That is how you hang out in your garage and build cool stuff. Just a nice picture frame out of some old wood. Random wood. You are so loved. Aww. That's gonna go in a child's room. Nice little frame. Big picture. Let's see. Show ya. As long as it stays horizontal and don't get yelled. That's the only comments I have is don't shoot like that. Or shoot like this. So I put that tape around, pushed it in, just some black like backing paper here. I use that glue. Nice frame there. Oops. So this wood was old, honestly. So this, and this side, I don't know where I got it from because it's not the 1x2 I had. Look at how thick that is. I grabbed my 1x2 after I used some random scraps. Right there. That is so way thicker. The 1x2 with the barcode on it had nothing to do with that wood. I just cut it out. But it still worked. Just goes to show you don't need anything crazy, guys. Nothing special. You just get after it and make stuff. Just however. If you watch these, please like and subscribe. Or dislike. It's the same thing. No one cares if you dislike.